Forget everything you know about starting a business. We are in the new AI era, and today I'm going to show you how to build a profitable one-person business that runs itself. You don't need inventory, you don't need a huge team. I'm talking about a simple 3-step blueprint to take high-quality designs from a secret source, give them a professional AI-powered upgrade using Kittle.com, and then instantly launch them onto product you can sell on pprint for pure profit. This is the ultimate side hustle blueprint, and I'm going to walk you through every single click. So let's jump right in. Okay, so first things first, we need some cosmic inspiration, and our source will be the official NASA website. Now, NASA is an absolute goldmine for stunning high-resolution images of the moon, distant galaxies, and iconic mission logos and all of that. Here's a key tip. NASA's media library includes a massive collection of public domain images, which means many of them can be used commercially. That said, you may still come across images with specific usage restrictions. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll grab an eye-catching one and walk through how to transform it, but always double-check the usage rights before using any image, okay? I'll also provide a link to a file that contains all the NASA image URLs for easy access. So let's say I've found this incredible vintage style photo of the Apollo mission patch, right? Like these ones here, or the planetary theme, but it's a bit low res for a massive t-shirt print and it needs that vector crispness. Now I'm going to go ahead and download the image, this. And trust me, what I'm about to show you next is mind-blowing. The goal here is to find a design that has potential, something that will look awesome on a tee, hat, and all of that. Once you have your image saved, we move to the design phase. But before we do that, there's one crucial business truth you need to understand: niching down. You see, most people try to sell everything to everyone, and that's exactly why they fail. We're doing the opposite. By focusing on a specific passionate audience, in our case, space lover and NASA enthusiasts, we instantly become the authority. We are not a general store. This is how you build a brand people search for, trust, and are willing to pay a premium for. The NASA theme is our niche. Now this is where we level things up. We're not just slapping a photo on a shirt. We're taking that NASA image and turning it into something unique, professional, and actually sellable. So let's head over to Kittle.com. Kittle is an AI-powered design platform that combines creative flexibility with advanced tools, plus its super robust focus on high-quality vector-based design, which is exactly what we need for print on demand. Take your time and explore the features when you get a chance. There are so many tools, and the AI ones can really save you time. Once you log in, you will be brought up to this interface. So thing first, the logo. Since we're building a brand, we need a simple logo, so click on Template. Kittle has an insane library of pre-made designs, so I'll just search for something like Cosmic Logo Templates. And boom, look at that, a whole page of space-themed designs, all related to what we're building just from one keyword. All of these would work, right? But I'm going with this one right here. Then click on Use Template. Now everything is editable. Just click on the text, replace it with your brand name. We'll call this one Lunar Threads. Adjust the colors so they match your vibe, tweak anything you like, and that's basically it. Super simple, right? Once you're happy, go ahead and download the logo. This will be your brand signature mark moving forward. Alright, now that our logo is locked in, it's time to bring in that NASA image we downloaded earlier. And now we're going to vectorize it to give it that clean, crisp, professional look. Head over to the Resources tab and click on AI Vectorizer. Upload your image and then play around with the color length until it looks sharp and smooth. This step is all about customization, and the point is we're taking a great public image and turning it into a unique print-ready piece of art. Beautiful, right? Once everything looks the way you want, just hit the download button to have your design. Now the design is ready, let's get to the main point, using pprint to turn it into a marketable product. So head over to pprint.com. Pprint is one of many great PODI platforms out there, but here's what makes them stand out. They actually allow full wraparound or all-over printing, something a lot of pod providers still don't offer. So if you want big, bold, edge-to-edge designs, this is the place. Another thing to note is pricing. Pprint operates close to factory direct costs, which means lower base prices and more flexibility when setting your retail price. They also offer production in both China and the US, allowing you to choose the best fulfillment location for your audience. This helps you manage delivery times and costs as your business grows, okay? Once you're on the homepage, click on products to browse through all the categories. They've got women's wear, accessories, pet items, you name it. In the search bar, I'll type sweatshirt and perfect. We've got a nice variety to choose from. I'll pick this one for the tutorial. Now, before we click Design and Sell, take a look at the pricing section. They show you the base cost and your potential profit. pPrint uses a factory pricing system, allowing sellers to set more flexible profit margins based on their own market. I usually bump up the price. And for a quality sweatshirt as such, $11 in profit and above is ideal for me. Alright, now click here to continue. Click Start Design and upload the artwork we created in Kittle. Once it appears on the screen, just click to select it, and there it is. Since we're going for a full wraparound all-over design, click on Copy to and choose All, and boom, your design instantly covers the entire sweatshirt. Look at that. From a simple NASA archive image to a fully branded, premium-looking, ready-to-sell sweatshirt in minutes. And pPrint even gives you a print quality rating. This one says excellent. Easy peasy, right? Now the next thing you would want to do is to click on Add to Store. Here you'll get a bunch of clean mockups automatically generated for you, and honestly, they look amazing. Click Continue to move forward. You'll see the product title. You can change it if you want. This page also gives you details about the material and the production process. For this sweatshirt, the printing method is sublimation, which explains why the colors look crisp and vibrant. It's really nice that they show you exactly what to expect before publishing. Click Continue again, and now you can connect your store, Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, and start selling immediately. So let's make one thing clear before we wrap up. This is not your typical throw a design on a t-shirt and hope for the best tutorial. What I just showed you is the blueprint for building a real, sustainable, one-person business. You're not limited to shirts. Your designs can go on hats, mugs, posters, hoodies, phone cases, blankets, pretty much anything. Think bigger than just the front of a tee. Now, a few key things you need to know. 1. Profit. pPrint's base prices are surprisingly affordable, which means your margins are strong. You can make serious profits with this model, especially when you niche down and target the right audience. 2. Shipping. If you're selling to the US market, pPrint delivers fast, often within 3 to 5 days. And remember, in print-on-demand, delivery time is a huge competitive advantage. 3. Quality control. I have one non-negotiable rule. Always order a sample. Check the print quality, feel the fabric, see how the colors show up in real life. pPrint offers a 20% discount on sample orders, so use it to test the product. 4. Support. And here's the part most creators overlook. pPrint actually has a solid sales and support team. If you have questions about products, bulk orders, or scaling, reach out. Use the resources available to you, okay? All the links you need, from NASA's archive to Kittle to pPrint, are right down in the description. If you're planning to use pPrint, make sure you register through the link below. New users get 30% off their first order, which makes testing products much easier without a big upfront cost. You'll also receive 3 discounted samples every month at 20% off, so you can check quality and feel confident before scaling. On top of that, registering through the exclusive link unlocks an additional 10% discount coupon, helping you keep your costs even lower. And if you want 25% off Kittle's premium plans, whether monthly or annual, just use my code. pPrint, on the other hand, is completely free to sign up, so there's no risk in getting started. So if this blueprint helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know which product you're launching first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.